Yes, what I want to discuss now is about rape. N'Igbo, ịdakpo nwaanyị n'ike maọbụ ịwakpo nwaanyị n'ike. This is very bad. Ọ jọrọ njọ, it's no good at all. Pịa, pụa, arụ. Gịnị mere ị ga-eji adakpo nwaanyị n'ike? For what? Nakara gịnị mezikwa ya? Wetin I wan talk now be say no be only one language na go take talk am. I go dey lis ten. Anyone wey you wan hear, make we hear am. I wan pass a very important information. I wan gist something. I go speak with English, Igbo and Pidgin. I go mix everything at the same time. Wetin I wan talk now be say why person go dey rape person? Say wetin happen? And the one wey dey annoy me pass be say people dey defend all this rubbish. Come dey blame the victim. Why you dey blame the victim? Before, I bin dey think say when person is a victim of rape, the person suppose talk. But I come learn different thing. Now I want to share experience of young lady. This lady was raped when she was 5 by an uncle. And the stupid old fool warn her say, if I hear this thing from another person's mouth, I will kill you. No talk to anybody. And again, no talk. She got to 25 years. And wetin happen be say she can't dey hate anything wey dey call man. If she hear man, she dey hate boy, hate everybody, man, boy, anything. She's done to something else. If the doctor say she don't fit marry again for this world, she can't hate everything, everybody wey dey call man. When she got to the 25 years, she speak up. She can't talk for the first time, say person rape am at age of 5. And as she talk her mind come clear. Now, person wey come dey blame am say, why you no talk when you come dey small? E come be now wey be say you don reach 25. Wey be say the man wey rape you don become something for this life. Now you dey talk. You wey dey reason like this, you are very stupid. Yes, you are very, very stupid. Somebody should talk when the person is ready. The person wey dey talk say dey rape am na to clear her own psychological imbalance. Oh, I just go English. It's a serious matter. It's very bad. Stop raping people. And if somebody, anytime, even when the person is 90 years, talk say person rape am, no talk say make carry cloth when we are that day when they rape am, carry am come make you see. You dey mad? And the one wey vex me be say police wey dey for this country, I no even understand them at all. Police wey dey for this Naija be say person rape person, and the person come meet policeman say person rape me. Police go tell you make you go bring cloth wey you wear the day wey they rape you, make you bring am come. It's true say some people if they wan implicate you, they go talk say you rape them. When you no do anything, they go accuse you. That one dey sha. And those people that accuse person say they rape you, you know say you dey grace. It's very stupid act. And I want to tell everybody say no be only woman wey dey experience rape. Men too dey experience rape. Some boys wey dey 7, 5, the people wey don dey old, wey don dey 30, 40, 35, 45, 25 don rape them wey dey small, and they no fit talk. And some of them come grow, come become something else, come bad. E no good. Please stop raping people. He said it's not something you rape, it's something that to do by consent. Yes, consent. Ọ bụ na imagine onwe gị nwanne ga-agwụ ala bọbụ ị chọrọ ịbọbụ ebe ahụ onye ọgbasa. But stop raping people. Stop forcing people. And when somebody talk say they rape am, no tell them okay shut up. Most especially when the person a man of so-called man of God, all those randy people. Person commit something because say na pastor, you no fit talk. The person talk say pastor rape am, talk say na lie because say he wan accuse man of God. Come dey say make God punish am. Pastor rape person again, but they see koza pastor rape person, and you come dey defend am. And wetin vex me be say some men say what is say dey reason, come dey defend am, come dey talk say the wetin be that wey get Timmy Amina, wetin dey call am, say she dey accuse the guy. Accuse who? How many women wey don accuse the guy? Everybody dey talk say the man don do them something. You know fit reason say the man for don do actually don chop one, don chop something before everybody dey talk say chop. You think say all the women go just come out dey talk say they because how man chop wey dey wear Gucci and Benz abi na wetin? Wetin the reason be say anytime wey person talk say in dey rape am, abeg understand wetin dey pass through, e no easy. Na because of people's attitude na make when they rape people, they no dey talk say person rape them because they dey fear say if they talk, the kind of backlash wey dey comot like collect from the society, e no good. Wetin I don see, wetin people wey I think say dey reason dey write for social media about rape victim, thing dey vex me. Please save people, stop raping, abeg stop that nonsense. If person hear say person rape am or you hear say person rape person, abeg no come dey blame anybody, most especially the victim. Dey tell am wetin him wear, how he take dress, whether he get big bum or whether he get big boobs, why he come get big boobs, why he come get, that is stupidity, that is animalistic behaviour. It's very bad. Ojo bude na najo masego kapinisi. Please stop nonsense, stop rape. Rape is bad, it's violent, it's very very bad. Ojo bude na najo masego kapinisi. Chukwu ajo fiapa.